We have, perfect, they didn't fuck up, 3 glazed donuts. And my delectable iced coffee, which has coffee syrup, brown sugar syrup, caramel, and a vanilla shot and some milk. And I'm really mad that they didn't put whipped cream on it. Hey, what's up? It's the Beauty Bestie Jessie, and we are going to be doing a little vlog. So I have been letting my room accumulate into this dirty little mess, which most people are going to be like, ew, that's gross. But I feel it's more like a rejuvenation period, because as soon as my room's messy, it gives me the motivation to want to get up and fix my fucking life, even though like I should be doing that shit anyway. But so this is going to be a vlog where I'm going to be cleaning my beauty room. I usually spend a lot of time in here doing my makeup, reading my books, reading cards. I am heavily into cartomancy, so fortune telling, the use of the Rider-Waite tarot deck to foresee my future, see my current circumstances, and my past. But this room is pretty much just a big old jump. Oh, and of course, my lovely plants. I'm a plant fiend. But so this room is really geared towards all of my personal things, all in one little munjul. Munjul, what is munjul? They're my personal, like, things about me. This room pretty much describes who I am if you look around. Anywho, my lips are dry. I like using the LA Girl lip oil. Anyway, so, like, my room's gotten dirty, and it's gotten dirty because I've decided to be a little gross slug. I've decided to not take care of myself for the past 3 days, which isn't that long, but when you have, you know, like issues, things can accumulate. So I let my room accumulate, and I just want to show you guys how I clean it. I still haven't decided what my flow and what I'm doing here, but I know that I just want to show up every day and post for you guys and kind of just stay in my own lane, simply put. So I do not look my best. I mean, bitch, I look my best, but what I'm saying is like, this clearly isn't a makeup video. I'm not here to, you know, serve looks. I'm not here to teach you anything. I'm just showing you what it's like in the day of someone who is not always holding themselves accountable for their space and the things around them. And sometimes we get down in the dumps and we don't want to do anything. So accumulation happens. And so yeah, this is pretty much what I go through sometimes.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
About our communities.
MCCU.
Of my room, I pretty much did my couch, my closet, my bookshelf, my nails, and my studies over in the corner. Came over and did my spiritual things, like my cards, my crystals. Didn't really go into the drawers because I'm lazy and I have to buy new herbs anyway. So, not really worried about it. But, basically, I did the whole left side of my room. I was tired, for sure. So yeah, I pretty much did a lot of cleaning. Did my closet, my spiritual things, my books, my studies, cleaned out my little nail thing. I had a lot of hair in my closet that I haven't used, which is all like jumbled different colors, so I really don't know how to like create a style out of that, but I'm gonna, because look at my head. But I'm like trying to lean into wigs because I've been wearing braids for a minute and I'm just not feeling it no more. So I have to switch to something else which is gonna like make me feel good, and then braids will feel good again because I've given them a rest. So last but not least, we're gonna clean my makeup desk now, which I've saved the best for last because that bitch is disgusting.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you, nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up, the dick, don't wanna fit. Riding around the world, riding around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I should do know, but never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want that. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
And there you have it. My entire room is clean. That took me probably like an hour or so, but I'm really happy that I did it because now I know where everything is. My room is to my own standards, and the clutter around me is not gonna put me in a low frequency, a low mood. So if you enjoyed my little cleaning vlog, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else that you guys would like to see posted. As always, I'm the beauty bestie Jessie, and I'm really happy that you came. I'm happy that you met me. Next time my room will be clean, I promise. I just be being lazy. But as always, I love you guys. Have a good day. Feel it in my heart.